My name is Rich Erkins with AVX Extremes. I'd like to take a moment to say thank you for joining us today. We're going to take a look at a very beautiful, unique home. This unique home is a family home. And this home is filled with technology, but the technology works with the family and for the family. Well, here we are. What a space. This is a great room, great kitchen. It blends everything together. But at the moment, we have a TV above our fireplace. It's a Samsung frame, 75-inch Samsung frame. It's the latest and greatest in Samsung's lineup of TVs. When the TV is off, it truly has a matte finish, so it looks like artwork. Every bit of technology in this house is unique in the fact that it's simplistic. If you won't make it simple, you won't use it. So from the lighting control, where we have everything labeled for what it controls, to the touchscreen that at a glance when you're cooking in the kitchen, you know exactly what time it is, what day it is. And if you need to find out what temp it's gonna be, you have your full weather forecast on the touchscreen. In here, we want to blend the technology of what we have to offer into a surroundings that frankly can disappear. From the in-ceiling speakers to the blinds that will allow the sunlight to more or less give you that long sleep. With a simple button press, by doing that, all the blinds will then come down and give you that nice solitude. Security systems and cameras are all integrated with the technology, so at any time it has full facial recognition capabilities, people counting capabilities, and analytics to let you know when someone's coming down the driveway. In this particular home, all the areas on the main floor are controlled with a Control 4 lighting system. After a long day, you can rest in your soaking tub and enjoy speakers to just kind of give you that soothing experience. Once again, everything is all set up for the automated lighting, so realistically you can come down this hall and you never really have to touch a light switch. So in Minnesota, we have so very few days that we can enjoy the outside and the inside type scenario. Well, this is a wonderful space. We have a beautiful outdoor rated 65-inch TV from Samsung. This is the Samsung Terrace. And even though we have all this natural light coming in, the picture's still very bright, very vivid, and just a beautiful place to spend some time or do some cooking at the grill. We also have automated screens here to keep out those nasty mosquitoes, our state bird in Minnesota here. And, you know, once again, a place that you can spend more time than just running out and in and things like that. So here in the garage, you know, we have some times of entertainment and sometimes we do maintenance on things. Well, in this garage, we have a pair of Origin acoustics, pair of their outdoor speakers with internal subwoofers on each one of the speakers that actually the passive radiators on the backside. So you just get a phenomenal bass response from a pair of small speakers. But on the security side, we also have one of our cameras right here in the corner. So they can monitor when vehicles are coming in and out, or in this case, if packages are coming in and out from, say, FedEx or UPS. They can remotely open their garage doors to allow those packages to be delivered all through the Control 4 app. So we just came in from the garage, and of course we have our alarm keypad right here. And with this alarm keypad, you can experience, or I should say you could look at all your different camera locations to make sure things are secure. But the biggest thing is it's simple. When you want to leave, just hit arm and away. But let's go check out the exercise and sport court area. So welcome to the family event area, sport court, exercise area. And the wonderful thing is it all operates the same exact way. So while you're on your Peloton or on the rowing machine, you can simply know just one way to operate the house. No matter what room you're in, it operates the same way. From the security cameras, so that if someone hits the button at the front of the door, to seeing what the kids are doing in the loft, you can experience it all. But, come on, if I was a kid and having a space like this is where I would be all the time. What a cool sport court. Keep peace of mind, mom and dad still have the camera located in the top corner over here, so they're able to keep an eye on what the kids are doing. So we got a wonderful bar, gaming area, once again, family home, and a theater to have that movie night with everybody when the weather's not quite so good outside. What we have here is a golden ear theater system with an Epson laser projector. It's a 10,500, and it's the screen is built by EPV screens, and it's the Polar Star screen, so it's an ambient light rejecting screen. So all this light can be on, and you can still enjoy the movie. What an awesome room. So you have a full 7.1.2 theater system in ceiling, with the front 3 flanking the screen. So some things that are unique with what we do at Audio Video Extremes is we look at how our customers are using their house, how they're using their environment. In this case, say for example, if you're having some friends over, having a beverage or two, and you want to make sure that you caught who's getting off the boat and coming up and you know, gifting you with their presents. In this case, we have an auto tracking camera that with this particular camera, if someone comes into this box that you see here in blue, that camera will physically follow that person, whether they're coming from the lakeside or in this case, off to the side of the property right here. And the camera will zoom in so you can physically see who this is. It's come in very handy many times.